Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2019 Subaru XV, stock number 6595. It's run from the 3rd 2017 to the 6th 2023. It has an FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine plus 7-speed automatic transmission. This is the FB20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, 15 door mirror, left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, 15 taillight, rear tailgate, no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right hand door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater EC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,